Hello, friends. Today I am going to share with you 10 hidden benefits of meditation. I hope this will help you a lot. Now let's get started. 10 hidden benefits of meditation. Many people practice meditation for a variety of purposes. One of the main reasons why so many choose to meditate is due to the inner peace and contentment it can induce. Regular practice should be attained for maximum impact. However, if you are new to meditation and are unaware of the positives it can provide, here are 10 hidden benefits that you may not have considered. 1. You become aware of your inner voice. As meditation allows you to become in sync with your mind, you gradually become more aware of your intuition. You start to notice your inner voice and learn to trust your instincts. Furthermore, you become attached to your thoughts and can use them to navigate your life in a positive manner. 2. You learn to enjoy your own company. Meditation allows you to spend time with your own thoughts. You are able to connect with yourself in order to become more self-assured. Many people don't enjoy being on their own. However, the practice of meditation can help to solve that issue, and you'll begin to discover more about yourself. 3. Helps you to release your emotional state. While meditating provides clarity and positivity in your life, there may be moments when meditation will be emotional for you. As you become more aware of your inner state of mind, many thoughts you have avoided may come to fruition. Don't neglect any feelings, as acknowledging your issues establishes inner peace. 4. It reduces your heart rate. Meditating helps to lower your heart rate and increases the flow of air to the lungs. This is beneficial for those who struggle with high blood pressure or heart-related health issues. 5. It reduces tension in your muscles. One cause of tension in your muscles is stress. When you are stressed, your muscles become tensed. Regular meditation helps to lower both stress and anxiety, thus, reducing tension and aches in your muscles. 6. It prevents premature aging. Regular meditation reduces free radicals in the body. Free radicals are particles that destroy cells and contribute to premature aging of the skin. The process of meditation reduces the amount of these destructive particles, thus, reducing skin aging. 7. It enhances brain function. If you regularly meditate, your brain function is enhanced. This reduces the possibility of headaches and migraines. You'll have better focus, concentration, and motivation. 8. It alleviates depression. As meditation increases the amount of serotonin within the body, it improves your overall mood. Many believe that an imbalance in serotonin levels results in depression and anxiety. Serotonin is a chemical that transmits signals from various parts of the brain. Therefore, regular meditation, which helps with brain functioning, can alleviate a depressed state. 9. It helps with our feelings toward others. As we become happier within ourselves via the practice of meditation, we tend to have more patience and empathy towards others. Meditation allows us to be more confident with our own emotions and, thus, we have more compassion towards other people. 10. It allows us to be more creative. As we are more in tune with our emotions, we become more confident in our abilities, which allows our creativity to shine. If you want to experience meditation, why not try it with Zen 12 and claim your free brainwave audio? Click the link below to download free brainwave meditation audio now. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.